In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create multi-image packages. Now to get started, we're going to go into the Selling tab, then into the Purchase Options page. From the Purchase Options page, we'll click Create New Purchase Option, and we'll select Multi-Image and Multi-Option Products. We're going to give this product the name Discount Packages, and we're going to check this box here that says the purchaser must select images to complete this product. And we can select a sample image here. And we can also select whether or not to charge sales tax, and we can give a description to our product. For this description, I'm going to put discount packages, and then I'm going to enable it on all my different gallery types. Once we've got this finished, we click Next to add some options. And the first option I'm going to add, I'll just call Package A. I'll give it a price of $39.99. I'm going to leave this option blank. I'm going to charge shipping. It doesn't have limited quantities. And I'll give it a description. This package includes 2 5x7s, 1 8x10, and 4 4x6 images. Down below it asks me to select which prints are included in the package, so I'm going to put these same things down here. So I'm going to select 2 5x7s, 4 5x6s, and 1 8x10. Then I'm going to save this package, and when the page refreshes, I'll add a second package. I'll call this one Package B. Make it $29.99. This package includes 2 5x7s and 2 4x6s. Then down below, I'll select those items like I did on the previous one, and I'll save that item. Now we've got both of our packages saved here. We'll close this, and I'm going to jump into our client gallery so you can see what it looks like on the client gallery side. I'm going to refresh this page. And there are two ways our clients can order these packages. One of them is down below in the products section. You can see this is the product that we just added here, and they can select either package A or package B. I'm going to go ahead and select package B, add it to my cart. And now as your clients are viewing their images, when they click Add to Cart, one of the options is going to be to add it to the package that they have in their cart already. So for example, we would add a 5x7, add that to our cart, go to another image, add that one to the 5x7s as well, and it shows that we have 0 of 2 left to select. We'll add that to our cart. And as we view the cart, we can see down here that this is what our clients have selected. It's also showing that we have 0 of 2 selected for the 4x6s, and we need to go to our photos to select the images to finish the product. So we'll say Add to Cart. We can add both of those, add it to our cart, and it says now that both of these are finished, and it's ready for us to check out. The second way for your clients to add this to their cart is not through the products area here, but through the images themselves. So as we're looking at the images, we can click to Cart, and there's a button here that says Add Album or Product. When this button is pressed, we'll also have the option to add one of these different products, such as our discount packages that we just created. We can add it just the same as we did previously. And that's how you create multi-image packages. They can include prints, digital copies, or any combination of the two. And if you have any questions about how to create them, just shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com.